What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. And we're finna do a little unboxing today. Yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing. So, let me set you guys up. Yeah. So, those of you guys that know, the cup holders in the OBS, they suck. If you hit a bump, your drink will just bust out and hit the ground and hit whatever else. So, I was shopping on eBay and I found some cup holders. Found them. So let's get them out. Let's get it out and see what it do. He packaged this thing up pretty good. Okay. You see that? I don't know what that doohickey is at the bottom, but hey. I want y'all to see the man's address. So I bought it used. So it bolts into the armrest. I'm already satisfied with these right here because it's got the big and little. He wrapped it up nice. So look. This is what we got. So this part right here goes down in the armrest. So I'm probably gonna tap some holes and I'm gonna screw it into the armrest because I don't want it moving. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Houston, we got a problem. That's definitely not gonna work. I'm gonna have to put a cushion or something. I'm gonna have to put an O-ring or something because I can't. Y'all hear that? That's not gonna happen. So, let me take those out. I'm gonna have to put an O-ring. I'm gonna put an O-ring around this right here to keep it from rattling because I can't be riding down the road with that. You know what I'm saying? And this thing right here it's not new. It was used. And I got a deal on it because I think the original price for this was like 50 bucks. But let's go see what it looks like in the truck. All right. Back out to the truck. So let's move that. What is this? I don't know what that is. Hope all this crap fits. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see, this is gonna, see that right there? That's gonna have to be screwed down. I'm gonna have to get some, yeah. I'm gonna have to get some metal tappers. And tap this down. You know what I'm saying? That way it don't move and it stays up like that right there. Yeah, but you see all that noise? See, you see that noise? That noise ain't gonna fly. That noise ain't gonna fly. You know what I'm saying? It's in there though. And then what if I have a drink in there? If I have a drink in there and I open this up, or it opens up on accident, my drinks are gonna go flying. So, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. Probably won't be tonight, probably gonna be in the morning, but yeah, we're gonna figure it out because I can't have that rattling around. In the morning, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna screw that thing down with some self-tappers and probably rivet it in. You know what I'm saying? That way it don't go anywhere, because I don't think it ain't gonna bust through the bottom if I shoot some shallow screws in it and then rivet it in. That way it don't move and I can still use my armrest. But for what it is, it's pretty good. I mean, you know, I thought about getting the one that bolts to the floor, or it mounts to the floor. That way I can have these two and then two down here, and then those two. That'll be the equivalent of 6 drinks. But anyway, I'll be back in the morning, gang. Okay, so I could not wait. So what I did was I went to the auto parts store and I got some door edge trim. I got it in black, and I didn't put it around the cut. As you can see, they don't come out because I put it around this black part right here, and then I shoved the cup down in there. So it probably goes from here to here, because I had it all the way around, but the cup wouldn't fit, so I had to trim it out. So it goes from like here to like here, and it fits down in there real snug. Hold on, let me see if I can get this one. Oh yeah, that mug in there. It's in there real good. It ain't rattling around. Yeah, but on the way to the store, man, it was doing just what I thought it would do. Hold on, guys, let me sit you down for a second. I need both of my hands. Oh God. Yep. Anyway, you can see it right there. Hold on, let me put some light on it. Yeah. See, you can see it. I just put it around there. And I put some. See, it just goes from here to there. It was flush, but me pulling up on it kind of made it kind of wonky right there. But it's all good. That's what we did, and which I don't. Yeah. And then I went on and drilled my holes in it. That way I can lift up my armrest without it falling down. And I drilled those holes right there. Boop, boop. Put 4 screws in it. Boop, boop. Because I didn't want to put it here, because this is kind of up. Like I could stick my finger under there. And I didn't want it to be like sitting up like that. So what I did is bolted it in like that right there. So that's the way it's gonna be. That's it. That's all. And I can't wait to carry some coffee. Yeah, can't wait to carry some coffee and some drinks and some coconut water all up in that. So anyway, those of y'all here just watching this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button first, then hit the like button. That helps out the algorithm, that gets my videos out to more people, man. You know what I'm saying? So help your boy out, man. Anyway, that's all for this video. I'm out. Peace.